Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have some of these bamboo straws that my good friend May with Craft Away with May gifted me. Her information is above. Please make sure you go over to her channel, support her. I would appreciate it, and I know she will also, and tell her that Joy sent you. And I also have some of these little wooden pieces or these little wooden boards that I purchased from Temu. I think they came like either 12 or 16 in a pack. I am going to include those in this clip now. And I am using some of the Waverly brand antique wax. And I'm applying this wax with a baby wipe so that I can break down that chemical in order for me to use my heating tube to dry this piece faster. Guys, like I said, I want to welcome everybody back to my channel, my new and returning subscribers. I am prayerful that you all have had a great week thus far. And I want to say, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to my channel. And as you can see, I am taking those bamboo straws that I cut down, and I am applying them on the front, or what will be the front of this box. Now when I say this box, I am going to literally make a box out of these pieces of wood, and what you saw me do is add some of those tumbling tower blocks to the edges so that I can have a resting piece of wood for the other halves of the box. That way it will seal and close better without adding like the paint sticks and all that kind of stuff, or popsicle sticks, you know what I'm saying. And so as much as I liked the way the bamboo straws looked initially, the more and more I looked at it, I wanted to change the design. But before I did that, I had to use those half beads. You guys know that I love working with these half beads that you can purchase from Amazon. And I did create a separate design for this particular box, just in case you guys want to try this and you prefer one design over the other. And so here's where I changed the design using the bamboo straws. Again, these were gifted to me by my girl May with Craft Away with May. And here it is, guys. Look how cute these turned out. I think these turned out very adorable. I did leave the half beads and the bamboo straws in their natural state, and you can always paint the inside where the tumbling tower blocks are in the same color as the whole box, meaning the antique wax color. But this is styled, and I hope you guys like this video. If so, please make sure you like, comment, share, and if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on that subscribe button. And until the next DIY, which will be coming up either tomorrow or Saturday, be blessed. Bye, guys.